So this is my grandmother's 1911 Treadle machine, and I've been working on getting the stitching correct and working properly. So we're playing with the tension and the stitch length. So this is on a piece of linen, and it's so far so good. I'm going to demonstrate the last changes we've made, which is looser on the tension and longer on the stitch. So I'm going to start it. Oh, takes me a little bit. Oh, gotta shove it up. Move my threads to the back, and all of these are the front stitch, and then I need to check the back. A lot of stitching in the way here. I think I have some room on the other side. I might do another one really quick. Let me just do another one. Last one, I promise. So this is the stitching I'm going to prefer on my linen. So here we go. I think we got it. So yes, there's no puckering, it's straight. It gives me a nice solid stitch. And for a 100+ year old machine, I think she does a great job.